How to become host on Airbnb. To become a host on Airbnb, you have to sign up for an account, create a listing for your space or experiences, and prepare to meet the host requirement like identity verification and legal compliance. Once your listing is ready, you could submit it for a review and then begin accepting booking after it's approved. So you want to open the Airbnb app on your device, and once you are done creating your account, you then click on the profile section. So right at the bottom you see this become a host section, right? Click that out. You need to go ahead and select what is it you want to go ahead and select that. Tap the next button. Now you just need to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. That is, you have to describe your listing, that is, fill in the details about your space, including the type of property, number of guest bedrooms and amenities. You will also need to take a high quality photos and write a compelling titles and description as well. Next, you could set your price and then verify your identity as well. You could also check the local regulation, get insurance, or write a house rule, and then submit your listing, wait for approval, or publish and manage booking as well. So this way, you could become a host on Airbnb. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.